Hey guys, what is up everyone? In today's video, we're going to be having a look at VRA Verasity, currently down at 2.5 cents. Market cap of $123 million, guys. $123 million. That is nothing. We also have 316,000 people on the watch list, ranked 378. We're also going to be having a look at Bitcoin, BTC, guys. Bitcoin market cap of $800 billion. So as you guys know, we are under a trillion, which is pretty big. And we're also going to be having a look at the support level on Bitcoin because Bitcoin is very crucial. And as we know, guys, Bitcoin is king. There's no question about that. So we have to look at Bitcoin first because this market is down and this market has been down because of Bitcoin only. Now, we got rejected at the EMA ribbon. Fine. This is one thing. But something that I want to have a look at is not only the VPVR, but a fractal that could be repeating itself. So right here, we saw this nice little, these two double tops right here that we saw back in March all the way to April. And then we saw that again, okay? Followed by a massive dump, which we saw right here. This was the massive dump that we saw, followed by a pullback. And then another thing happened, followed by a massive dump, followed by a pullback. What happened after? We saw a huge liquidation wick and another huge liquidation wick. So this is almost exactly that's what's been happening. And then we saw a nice little consolidation towards the downside, had a nice little fake out. Nice little consolidation towards the downside, had a nice little fake out. And what is happening? The same thing, guys. We came back down. Consolidation, again, consolidation, boom, a little bit towards the upside, and then again, same thing, towards the downside, a nice little rebound, and then towards the bottom. Now the question is, are we gonna see a rebound on Bitcoin like we saw right here on July 20th, 2021, or are we gonna enter a bear market? So this is definitely something that we have to keep in mind, guys, because if we do end up breaking this level, that's going to be very crucial. The next important level that we have or that we're supposed to be looking at is right here at $29,000 or $30,000 if you want to round it up. The good thing is that Bitcoin is a little bit confused. As you guys can see, we had a few ugly candles, a very low volume. I mean, doji right here, dump, doji. So Bitcoin doesn't really know where it wants to go. No one really knows where Bitcoin is going to go. This is why you have to react to the market, guys. React to the market. Don't predict the market. If we see a nice little breakdown and we see a lot of volume is happening, then yes, you could do a short. We're most likely going to retest 30,000. If we see a breakout above 45,000 to, even 52, 53,000, we could start thinking of, we're in a bullish term. But we did see a nice little rebound right here, and then it turned into a bull market. So can we essentially see a nice little fake out, 39, 38,000, something like that, and then rebound? That's also very possible. We have to keep in mind that if we manage to break below this level, it's going to be bad news bears for us, and we might enter a bear market. Another thing is we are below the VPVR level right here, very important and crucial level at 47,000. So right now we do have a lot of volume around this area, which does, and it is acting as support. So we're going to see a lot of people buying around this area right here, between 40,000 to 30,000. So that's my TA on Bitcoin for right now. Let's have a look at the RSI real quick. On the RSI, we are trending towards the bottom. There's no question, okay? There's really no question that we are trending towards the bottom right now. Currently, we were oversold right here at 28, had a nice little rebound, which was this, and we were oversold right here, and we didn't have a rebound at all. We just kept coming down. So that's that on Bitcoin. If we have a look at the 200 moving average, we do have a death cross right here that just happened on the daily time frame, guys. For those of you guys who don't know what a death cross is, it's essentially when the 50 EMA goes down and the 200 moving average goes up. 200 moving average is the blue one, and the 50 EMA moving average is the yellow one. So this is pretty bad. I mean, listen, the last time we saw a death cross, it was right here, and guess what happened? Yes, we were trending a little bit, and then we bounced back up. So it's very possible that we start trending before bouncing back up. I mean, these death cross when it comes to crypto and Bitcoin, you really have to take it with a grain of salt because they don't really play out as well as they do on the stock market. But that's that. Let's have a look at VRA now. VRA, guys, one of my favorite coins. Can this be the next 100x coin? VRA is very, very cheap, guys. $123 million market cap, like I mentioned in my video. So it's pretty cheap. We do have a death cross right here. The only reason why that is because Bitcoin is doing the same thing. Now, a few things I want to have a look at on VRA. Of course, guys, that when Bitcoin dumps, the whole altcoins will dump, right? But we are in a downtrend right here. As you guys can see, we started the downtrend right here. Boom, had a nice little rebound, rebound. Very possible we come all the way to 31 before coming back down. Now, my target for VRA has been for quite some time, or not quite some time, but for about a week. I did mention that we could potentially see the sub 0.006 level, which is right here. And the only reason why that is because of the inverse head, the regular head and shoulders that we have right here. So if I take this, it's obviously going to go to 0, but I don't think we're going to go to the negatives. So if I take this head and shoulder right here and I draw the line, and this is the neckline, then we're most likely going to come back and retest this level if we break this important resistance right here, or support, sorry. So this is an important support level. This is an important support level. We just retested the support level today and yesterday. This is an important support level. This was an important resistance that flipped to support. So this whole area right here is extremely crucial for VRA. And that's pretty much about it, guys. There's nothing too much to see over here besides Bitcoin dumping, VRA dumping. Of course, if you like this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.